Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. I never wear a lot of makeup, but I like my eyeliner, mascara and lipstick. So what do you do if you go all natural? Let me know in the comment section. I started making my own makeup years ago. I have made natural homemade foundation, eyeliner, kajal, lip color, makeup setting spray, etc. I'll give all the links of these homemade makeup recipes in the description box below. You can check out and let me know your feedback. I love that I make my own makeup right at home with all natural ingredients. So I am excited to share with you my latest attempt of making homemade natural DIY mascara. Mascara is a magical product which instantly transforms your eyes and makes them look bigger and brighter. You see, long lashes are eternally flattering and can never go out of fashion. There is something wonderful about homemade beauty products. After all, who wouldn't love a mascara that's a natural and eye-friendly? It's simple and inexpensive to create your own mascara at home. Follow these simple recipes and directions to create the mascara of your choice. DIY Clear Mascara. Clear Mascara is just perfect for those no makeup days. When used right, it can add a whole lot of room to your lower lash line. Besides, some days we are all in need of a guaranteed no smudge finish. This recipe is good for your lashes and will prevent lash fallout and breakage. What you need: clean mascara wand, a plastic jar or container, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1/3 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1/3 tablespoon beeswax grated, 1 tablespoon almond oil, a candle, a metal spoon. How to prepare? Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Pour the almond oil, coconut oil and aloe vera gel into the container and mix the ingredients well. Step 2. Place the grated beeswax on a metal spoon and hold it above the candle flame until it melts. Step 3. Pour and mix the melted beeswax into the container. Step 4. Wait for a few minutes for the mixture to cool down and dry. Your DIY Clear Mascara is now ready to use. DIY Waterproof Mascara. If you want to make your own waterproof mascara, the trick is to add a tad bit more beeswax, as this ingredient gives more of a hold to your mascara. What you need: 2 teaspoons coconut oil, 4 teaspoons aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon beeswax grated, 1 to 2 capsules of activated charcoal for black mascara, or half teaspoon cocoa powder for brown mascara. Small plastic bag, clean mascara tube. Step 1. Mix the coconut oil, aloe vera gel and grated beeswax in a saucepan over low heat. Stir the ingredients together until they melt completely. Step 2. Empty 1 or 2 capsules of activated charcoal powder for black mascara, or add half teaspoon cocoa powder for brown color to this mixture. Stir the powder well until it blends with the other ingredients. Step 3. Remove the saucepan from the heat and wait for the ingredients to cool down. Step 4. Now here comes the tricky part: transferring the mascara into your mascara tube. To do this, simply use a plastic bag to create a funnel and transfer the mascara into your tube. Step 5. Make sure you secure the cap on tightly to prevent your homemade mascara from drying out. Pro tips while making your own mascara: for an ash or grey color, use less charcoal. For a pure black mascara, use more charcoal. To make a brown mascara, you can substitute half of the charcoal for cocoa powder. If the mascara is too thick, add more glycerin, aloe or oils. Only add a very small amount at a time until desired consistency is met. If the mascara is too thin, add more clay or beeswax. Again, add a very small amount at a time. You can add a few drops of the castor oil into your mascara to help your lashes grow. How long does mascara last? All of the ingredients in this mascara have a long shelf life, so this mascara will last up to 6 months. After using, be sure to secure the lid tightly to help prolong its life. Store the mascara in a cool, dark place. So that was our homemade DIY mascara recipe. I have already made DIY homemade eyeliner and kajal recipe on my YouTube channel. You can check out that also. I'll put the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do like this video and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon in order to get updates of all my new upcoming interesting videos. See you all in my next video.